It's a community organization, but specifically catering to youth, high school age, middle school, and on the surface you can see there's a couple of shops. There's a bike shop, there's a boat shop, bike mechanics, woodworking, boat building, furniture construction, even maintenance on our buildings. We've grown with these buildings, we've grown with these facilities, and in the background we're just providing kids with help, holistic help with housing, school, life.
Everything's kitted and pre-drilled, so you don't have to think about layout on the planter. We started on site on the 16th, so Wednesday. We built all the frames so we could get it in place. They poured the slab Thursday, power washed it Friday. We set this and templated it on Friday.